Welcome back to CoinZF. If you're serious about coins, history, and hidden value, subscribe to CoinZF right now and stay connected with us. Because today's coin may be sitting quietly in your pocket, but it carries a story that every experienced collector should hear. Today we're talking about the 2022 Jefferson Nickel 5 cents. Many people over the age of 55 remember when nickels were made of solid silver during wartime or when change actually had buying power. You have seen decades of coins pass through your hands. But modern coins can still surprise you, and the 2022 Jefferson Nickel is one of those coins that deserves attention. The Jefferson Nickel series began in 1938, replacing the Buffalo nickel. Since then, this 5-cent coin has remained one of the longest-running designs in American coinage. The 2022 D version continues that legacy. The D mint mark means it was struck at the Denver Mint, one of the major United States minting facilities responsible for producing billions of coins for circulation on the obverse. You see the strong forward-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson. This design, introduced in 2006, was created by artist Jamie Franke. It presents Jefferson in a modern, confident style compared to older side-profile versions. For many mature collectors, Jefferson represents stability, tradition, and the foundation of American history. His presence on the coin connects today's pocket change with over 200 years of national heritage. Turn the coin over, and you see Monticello, Jefferson's Virginia home. The reverse design returned to Monticello in 2006 after the Westward Journey series. Monticello is not just a building. It represents craftsmanship, architecture, and the personal vision of one of America's founding fathers. For collectors in the 55 to 65 age group, coins like this are more than metal. They are reminders of lessons learned in school, history books read decades ago, and stories passed from one generation to the next. Now let us talk about composition. The 2022 Jefferson Nickel is made of 75% copper and 25% nickel. It weighs 5 grams and has a diameter of 21.21 millimeters. This composition has been standard for nickels since 1946, after the special wartime silver nickels ended. Even though the metal value is not high, condition and rarity can change everything. Here is where things become interesting for serious collectors. While millions of 2022 D nickels were struck, not all coins are created equal. Most will remain worth 5 cents. But coins in high uncirculated grades, especially those graded MS67 or higher by professional grading services, can command strong premiums. The difference between an ordinary coin and a premium collectible often comes down to strike quality, luster, and the absence of marks. The Denver Mint sometimes produces coins with slightly different strike characteristics compared to Philadelphia. On some 2022 D nickels, collectors look for strong detail in Jefferson's hair and sharp steps on Monticello. The steps are especially important. If the steps on Monticello are fully visible and sharply struck, the coin may qualify for a full steps designation. For experienced collectors, that small detail can significantly increase desirability. Another factor to watch for is mint errors. Even in modern times, minting mistakes happen. Off-center strikes, die cracks, double dies, and clipped planchets can appear. These errors are rare compared to total mintage numbers, and rarity is what drives value. A clean, well-preserved 2022 D nickel with a noticeable error can attract attention at auctions and coin shows. For many viewers in the 55 to 65 age group, coin collecting is not just a hobby. It is a form of discipline and patience. You understand that value grows over time. You know that the best opportunities are often overlooked by the crowd. The 2022 Jefferson Nickel represents that principle. While younger collectors may chase only old silver coins, experienced collectors quietly set aside high-quality modern issues that others ignore. Condition is everything. If you find a 2022 D nickel in circulation, chances are it will show scratches, dull surfaces, or contact marks. Those coins will remain face value. But if you obtain one directly from mint rolls or uncirculated sets and store it properly, you protect its potential. Coins should be kept in holders, away from moisture, fingerprints, and friction. A single fingerprint can permanently reduce grade and value. Let's also talk about market psychology. Modern coins sometimes experience sudden interest when collectors realize high-grade examples are scarce. Population reports from grading companies often reveal that only a small number of coins reach the highest grades. When demand exceeds supply in those top grades, prices can rise quickly. That is why disciplined collectors monitor population data and auction results carefully. The 2022 D Jefferson Nickel may not be a silver coin. It may not be 100 years old, but it is part of an unbroken series dating back to 1938. Series continuity matters. When collectors build complete dated mint sets, every year becomes important. If future collectors decide to complete full modern sets in top condition, high-grade 2022, D coins will be required to finish those collections. Another important point is affordability. Many collectors in their late 50s and 60s appreciate coins that do not require massive investment. Not everyone wants to spend thousands of dollars on rare gold pieces. Modern nickels offer an entry point with limited risk. You can search bankrolls, attend coin shows, or trade with fellow collectors. The hunt itself becomes rewarding. Think about the satisfaction of finding a nearly flawless 2022 D nickel in change. That moment connects you to the thrill collectors felt decades ago when they discovered a rare date wheat penny. The excitement never changes. Only the years on the coins do. For men in the 55 to 65 age range, collecting also carries legacy value. Coins can be passed down to children and grandchildren. A simple 5-cent coin can spark curiosity in the next generation. When you explain mint marks, strike quality, and grading, you are sharing knowledge built over a lifetime. Now let us talk realistically about value. Most circulated 2022 D Jefferson nickels are worth 5 cents. Uncirculated examples in average condition may sell for a small premium, perhaps $1 or $2 in rolls. But high-grade certified examples, especially with strong strike and eye appeal, can reach much higher levels depending on market demand. Collectors who understand timing, condition, and rarity are the ones who profit. Patience is the key. The coin market rewards those who study details and act with discipline rather than emotion. The 2022 D Jefferson Nickel is a reminder that even in today's world of digital payments, physical coins still matter. They carry history, artistry, and potential. They connect generations. And sometimes, when the right coin meets the right condition at the right time, value appears where others see only spare change. So the next time you receive a nickel in change, do not ignore it. Look at the mint mark. Examine the steps on Monticello. Check the surfaces under good lighting. Store the best examples carefully. The opportunity is not always in ancient coins. Sometimes it is in modern issues that the crowd overlooks. And here is the number many of you have been waiting for. A high-quality, certified 2022 D Jefferson Nickel in exceptional condition can reach a value of $77 in today's collector market. Stay disciplined, stay observant, and remember that smart collectors never underestimate small coins. If you enjoyed this deep look into the 2022 D Jefferson Nickel, make sure you are subscribed to CoinZF because the next valuable coin might already be in your pocket.